for us to improve our skills.
Guest speaker steps in, crowd starts to glow. From basic to brilliant, yeah, we're ready to flow.
And way on how you're going to communicate.
Breakthroughs to breakthroughs, code to control.
Look for a problem. Diba? Engineers are problem solvers. Titig na tingin kayo sa paligid. Tingnan nyo anong problema na pwede nyo masolusyonan.
We spark the future, lights up high.